the sleep cave restoring Zoran's energy. In the heart of Dragon's Hollow, where moonbeams painted the cave walls and silence hummed like a lullaby, Zoran nestled into the sleep cave. His scales, once ablaze with fire, now cooled to a gentle glow. It was here that he replenished not only his strength, but also his inner flames. "Jesse," Zoran whispered, his eyes half closed, "why does sleep matter? Isn't fire breathing enough?" The wise owl appeared, her feathers soft as dreams. "Ah, Zoran," she said, "sleep is the alchemist's potion. It balances your glucose, fuels your fire, and repairs your dragon cells." "But I'm no alchemist," Zoran murmured. "I'm a dragon." Jesse chuckled. "Listen, my scaly friend. During sleep, your body dances with hormones. Insulin tiptoes, ensuring glucose enters your cells. Cortisol waltzes, keeping inflammation in check." Zoran yawned. "And my flames? Ah," Jesse said, "they simmer. Sleep deprivation stokes hunger, disrupts glucose control, and dims your dragon spirit." Zoran settled deeper into the cave's embrace. "So, sleep is my treasure, indeed," Jesse whispered. "Balance your fire breathing with moonlit dreams. Let the sleep cave weave its magic. Remember, dear reader, as you journey through life, rest well, whether you're a dragon or a mere mortal." Disclaimer: the characters and events in this tale are purely fictional. Any resemblance to actual owls, caves, or moonlit lullabies is purely coincidental. Always consult a real sleep expert before embarking on dream quests.